Welcome to the University of Sharjah video tutorials. In this video, we will have an orientation to the library website. From the university website, sharjah.ac.ae, you can go on quick links and select libraries. Once you've done that, you will reach the UOS Libraries homepage. The green tabs down below will enable you to search the online resources. First of all, you have the All Resources tab, which you can use to search most of the online resources through one discovery tool. Then you have the Catalog tab, which will search the print collection. After that, you have the e-journals and e-books tabs, which will search and find electronic journals and books by title or subject. Finally, the Databases tab will take you to a list of databases. First of all, you have the subscribed databases, and then you have Arabic databases, which can be found separately, and once you open them, you'll find that they are arranged alphabetically. Finally, you have the Dissertations tab, which you can use to search 2.8 million full-text dissertations. Moreover, you will find at the top the off-campus access point, college guides, online forms and feedback, and that's it. Please contact the library for more help and assistance. Thank you.